Alright, so here's how to zoom in and zoom out in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started. First of all, it's quite simple, guys, so all you need to do, go move your cursor on the right bottom side, and here is the zoom. Alright, so if you just select this option, which is default in 100%, so if you tap on left click on this option, and this dialog box will appear. So currently I am using the 100%. So if you are still if you are just trying to zoom into the document, you can select the 200% and tap on OK. So as you can see, our document is now zoomed in. And again, if you want to zoom out, you can also do that by clicking on this and change the zoom into 75%, which is default. So select that and this will be like this. All right. Then again, if you want to make a zoom like custom, then you can do with this slider right over here. You need to tap on this slider and now you can simply go with it like manually. All right. So hope this video helps. If